What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. I just want to go over a few trades. Today was a pretty crazy day. Super busy at work and just so many trades and tickers moving, and it just felt a little stressful. Not going to lie. So I think I overtraded a little bit today, and I want to talk about some of these trades. So let's dive right in. We're going to start with GME. This is just recent supernova, and it's coming down, holding that $50 support level before it really took off. And looks like it's putting in a bottom there. And so it put in a bottom at 46. Pull that up. So it put in this bottom here at 46 and just making some higher lows now. In the morning when it was making these higher, when it was making a higher low from yesterday, and was kind of having a hard time breaking down in the morning, I took a small swing, only 12 shares at 49.7, and I'm risking 46, and I'm looking for a pop back towards 100. Just looking for shorts to realize that there's a bottom being put in, and they'll cover a lot of their position, and then you'll get some momentum buyers. It's what Tim Sykes calls a number 5 out of his penny stocking framework DVD. Great DVD if you haven't checked that out. So yeah, I'm just looking for a quick bounce back towards 100, and it'll end up fading back down to 0 probably. So just looking for a quick swing on this, nothing crazy. The risk reward is really good for me not to take it, so I'm risking $50 to make 600. So yeah, I'll take that every day. So yeah, that's my plan for GME. My second trade of the day was BRZL. Just a multi-day breakout here over 3.5. Had a nice spike into the close yesterday. Continued spiking in the morning. Was putting in a bottom here at 4, making some higher lows. I bought right here at 419 when it perked up above VWAP and out of this consolidation, this little trigger here with some volume, and just sold it into the spike here at 468. Took 12% and just called it on that one. Just a quick snipe. Ended up holding up, making higher lows, and getting a high of day push right there into the close. So this can possibly gap up on Tuesday. Let's see what else. AMYZF. Oops, I'm not typing. So this, I mean, I was pretty dumb on this trade. I'm not gonna lie. So it's pretty overextended. I mean, it came from the low 7s up to $1.60, $1.66, or I should say, it came up to 158 in the morning there, and it came all the way up there with only one day of consolidation, only one red day. So it's just a little overextended, and this is a beautiful OT swizzle where it spikes in the morning, puts in a high, puts in a low, and then just goes sideways and into a channel all day. And then power hour, you get some volume and you get a break out of that channel. So I took small size here at 156 right in here when it looked like it was, it looked like it wanted to break, and I should have just sold into the quick pop, just taking the quick snipe. I was just busy at work. I had some alerts set and some advanced orders, so it didn't hit. I was looking for 170. Never hit, and I ended up stopping out at 153 is where I brought my stop up to. Originally I had it at 151 and brought it up to 153, more towards VWAP once it broke. And yeah, I should have just taken the quick single, and didn't do it. Tried to give it some time, I guess. Yeah, crashed right back down and stopped me out. So that was only a small $20 loss, so It's nothing really compared to like BRZL. That win was a $155 win. So the $20 loss is nothing as long as I keep them small and keep my wins around that size. Another one is RVV. Oops. So psychedelic play, kind of a multi-day breakout, or it gapped up a little over 5 and finished red, but then we pushing up past those highs on some nice volume in the morning, and a lot of resistance here around 55. Look, I was looking for a break above that. I took a position, where was it? After this dip here, and it held 51 for the like 4th time. I took a small position here at 52.05, and once again had my just advanced order set, some alerts, and was just busy at work, wasn't paying attention to it. I was hoping it was going to break this high right here at 55 and test 55.9 and get a break past that high of day, and I could sell into, but it topped out here at 55, and I thought about selling. I checked it there for a moment, thought about selling, and then just decided to give it some more time. And then instead of, I was risking 51, but since we got that spike up towards high of day, I was expecting VWAP to hold and 52 to hold, and that's what I ended up risking, was 52. So it ended up being only like a $10 loss after commissions. Nothing, just a scratch. But on both plays, I was up, and I should have just taken my quick snipes on it and taken my profits, but I just kind of out of it and letting it play out a little bit more. Should have just played it safe like I usually do. And then last one of the day was KNOS, which I was watching all day, watching it in here, and got the alert that it hit 12, and it was just way too late. Broke out and was just hanging above 13 for all of power hour. And so I was watching it, waiting for, I was really wanting a dip back towards 12 that I could buy into, for it to come down and test it, and we get a bounce back up towards the high of day, but we never got it. I ended up taking a small position here at 13.2, and it was just, I only had like $800 left in my account. So since this was one of my top watches, and this is a really nice breakout, I didn't want this to, like, since it was holding so nicely, I didn't want it to just rip up past high of day and just continue into power hour. I really wanted to just be a part of the move. So I took that position, and I was risking 12.8. Yeah, I was risking 12.9 right here. And as it broke down, my stop never got filled. And so I was able to cancel my order and give this a little bit more time, because big picture move, I mean, it's pretty nice. I expect to gap up on Tuesday and it pushed towards 15. Yeah, it dipped. It finally gave the dip. Not back to 12, but it held 12.5, held 12.5 again right here. And we tried to hold 13 in the close, couldn't really do it, but it held near the highs and it held near 13, held the breakout level. So comfortable swinging this one over the weekend and give this a chance to gap up and push on Tuesday. Yeah, that's basically it. Nothing too crazy, but definitely a little bit of over trading. Should have taken profits when I had it, played it safe. Decided to give these a little bit more wiggle room since it was still early in the day, and just took small losses. Still green on the day, and still green about 550 on the week. So hit my weekly goals. I'm happy with that, and can't really complain. So it's just time to study up this weekend and come back ready for war on Tuesday. All right. So have a good weekend, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good one. See you guys Tuesday.